Hello guys, welcome this year's Tech Solution. Today is learning UI/UX design, and today is learn our topics of UX research study plan template. In our fourth part is a methodology. As a methodology is a plan that has to explain how you will as collect, analyze, and as use the data to answer your the research questions and for the UX project as a methodology usually as include as the first is as a research method you will use and the steps is involved in conducting research and types of the data you will as a collect and as a research method as a, for this the project as a research method is a usability study and a usability study is a primarily and the qualitative research methods as because as you collect the information directly from the participant and you observe how the user has interact with as your as a design and you learn about the user's experience thoughts and all the as challenges in the market and step in a research process. First is required a participant how much the target is as a user and prepare the task for the participant to as a complete using the prototypes and observe the participant while they as perform the task and fourth is take the notes on the success errors and the difficulties and fifth is a record session and with the permission for as a later reviews and six is analyze the finding to identify the patterns and as a usability issues and seventh and last is use the insight to improve the design and as the data is collected as a usability studies is will generate as a user as comment and the feedback and the observation for the user behaviors and as a task completeness success rate and the common problems and pain points and the suggestion for as a improvements all the things you have to write the data collect time and example as a UX research plan methodology and as a research methods is mandatory the usability studies and the participant is 5 to 8 potential users and as a producers as the participant will be as giving the low and latest prototypes and they will as complete the key tasks such as searching for the information navigating screens and as a completing transactions and all as a researcher will as a observe the participant and as ask the follow-up questions you and as sessions will last the approximately as 20 to 30 minutes and as data types is qualitative data as users options and the comment and the behavior and the quantitative data as task completeness rates and time taken and the numbers of error users in the task and analyze as a review as a note and the recording and identify the recurring usabilities problems and as a group finding into the theme and as a prioritize the design as the improvement based on the survivalities and as a frequently and an example of the methodology is conduct the mandate of the usabilities as required 5 or 8 participants from this target in the group users and the session will last as the 30 and 20 to 30 minutes and the participant will as complete the task using the low friendliness prototype users and the researcher will as observe the user's behavior take the notes and the recording sessions will with the permissions, and the finding will be as analyze and the identifying the usability issues and the opportunities for as improvement, all the things you have to write and solve the problems. Thank you guys to watch our videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.